What's up guys, this is Shannon from SP88. I've got this Audi here from Copart and it's pretty nice except for this damage here. If you notice, this wheel is literally jammed into the wheel arch like that, so it must have hit something. There's no serious damage to the front. So there's a little scuff mark there on the front bumper there, but if you look at the bumper itself, it's pretty much escaped with a little bit of scuffing and scratching. You can see the wing is actually ripped in there as well. Around the car, some of the damage is just really dirty. I haven't seen any scratches anywhere at all. So looks like the damage is limited to this area here. So I'm going to get the wheel off, get the wheel arch off, get the wing off, and get prepared to get this car back on the road. Alright guys, all stripped down off camera. You can be the decider. Look at there. So this is the damage that I would assume has made this car a category S. So this is all bent up just in the corner there. That's a little bit of, alright, let me take this thing out and have a good look behind there. Okay, so this is the car with the chassis, with the suspension leg, the wishbone, brake disc caliper, and the tie rod and the ball joint removed. So you're looking for the damage that makes this car a Cat S, and if you look carefully you'll just see that it's a little bit of damage here. It's in this corner here where the wheels being knocked back. So the wheels managed to press this area here and rubbed against it and slightly bent it. The knocks also broken the seal just along here. But everything still looks fairly straight. It's just like I guess this has been pushed in a little bit and it's causing it's pushed back a bit. I'm hoping that it's not affected the door, because obviously the door's still opening like that. Yeah, look here, the hinges can't be, man, there can't be any damage that would have made this move back. It's got to be impossible, right? Anyway, that's the interior of the car. Paddles in the steering wheel and stuff. The screen pops up when you turn the key. See, got the high definition screen. Take the key out. So yeah, it's really starting to damage my door now. So I'm not going to replace the store either. Probably just touch that in and polish it. There's a little bit of damage on the door. I'm going to get a new wing in the same colour, so I'm not even going to get it painted. I'm just going to find a wing that's been removed, that's in good condition, in LY90, which is the paint code. Alright, this is the damage. So we've got a bent drive shaft, bent wishbone, bent tie rod end, and broken mud guards. The wheels are kind of curved up as well. Yeah, is this a Cat S?